Thanks. Today we will discuss regarding cross repetitization, department of repertory. Here is introduction. There are several repertories, among them homeopathic physician in their practice generally use therapeutic pocketbook. Characteristic and repertory of the homeopathic materia medica. Other repertories have a limited use and they are mostly used references purpose. However, with the advent of many advantages, recent repertories like homeopathic, medical repertory, synthetic repertory, and synthesis repertory, etc., and so on. The practitioner has a choice and advantages of selecting and useful repertory for the case and the cases. Cross repetitization definition is the term cross repetitization is used when more than one repertory is consulted either to help in the selection of the simillimum or to confirm the result obtained from the use of one repertory. Selection of repertory or repetitization mainly depend on the type of the case and physician's acquaintance with the particular repertory. In day-to-day practice, a physician generally limits himself to one repertory while working out a case. The purpose of cross repetitization is to highlight the oneness of all repertories with regard to their objective, that is to find out the simillimum, and another purpose of cross repetitization is to select a well represented rubric from any of the repertory or repertories. A case can be repetitization by any repertory provided the case has a wide dimension so that a totality can be erected from any angle, Kant, Boningason, and Boger. All such case or cases may be suitable for cross repetitization. Any case which has various rubrics that are not found in one repertory need references of more than one repertory. Method of cross repetitization is here using one totality depends on symptomatology or a case. A case is selected for repetitization through a repertory and accordingly the totality is erected. The same totality can be used for referring other repertories. Rearranging the totality. In this method, the totality is rearranged according to the philosophy of different repertories. Thus, after taking the case, the evaluated symptoms are arranged logically, which can be restricted according to different repertories. Integrated approach. Under this method, one totality is erected in the first instance for repetitization. The rubric should be referred to in all repertories and a note made regarding the availability of the rubrics. The next step is to find those repertories where these rubrics are represented well. This is most important approach which help to derive the maximum benefit from all existing repertories. Well represented rubrics selected from various repertories are used for repetitization. This approach leaves minimum error in repetitization, especially in respect of omission or omission of drugs, conversation of Mars, Boningason, gradings 5, Kant 3, 4 or 3, Kant 2, 2 Boningason, 1 Kant, 1 in parenthesis, not to be taken in Kant. Next one is case worked out by the cross repetitization using one totality. The patient age 23 years suffering from bronchial asthma presented with the following picture. Case 1 here is location, sensation, modalities, accompaniments, respiratory system, breathlessness, aggravation night, redness of eyes, respiration nose 4 years, wheezing, sneezing, aggravation dust, aggravation exertion to 5 times, thrustlessness, thrust increase, weakness, second, slow onset, watery discharge, aggravation cold. Next one is recurring once, twice in a month, cough, thick, white, expectoration, aggravation lying down, smoke, sitting up, bending backward. It had since 6 years, temple occasionally, throbbing of vessels, aggravation tension, aggravation, grinding, aggravation carriage, amylation rest, amylation sleep, or lacrimation. Family history. Father, bronchial asthma, mother hypertension, brother, bronchial asthma. Patient as a whole, as a person, appetite during attacks, there is no desire for food. Desire spicy, hot food, milk, aversion salt, sweet, thrust 6 glasses per day, preparation increased in chest, axilla, stool, 1 time per day, unsatisfactory motion, urine 3 to time per day. Thermal reaction, patches with cold water, always likes monsoon covering, use this bed sheet in winter, enjoy cold weather, hot patient. Emotional state, mild, doesn't get angry, fast, good managed, with all, sensitive, feels hard easily, over still matters, doesn't cry, but sight alone, reserved, doesn't express, feel, has less number of friends. Reactions, doesn't like company, worse, contradiction, shouts, if contraindicated, contradiction, consolation feels better if consolated by friends or colleagues. Action, talks, reluctant during interview, speak hastily, agitated, sleep and dream, sleep 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. emission during sleep, sleepy more in the morning, doesn't feel like getting up, dreams, gets regularly of romance, girls sometime frightful, edge of calamities, wild animals, amorous dreams, etc. and so on. General physical examination, appearance lean thin, hair black, reduce, nails, whitish spots, face, sunken face, tongue cracks, pulse 60 per minute, blood pressure 130 by 90 mmHg, respiratory rate 15 per minute. Provisional diagnosis, bronchial asthma and tension headache. Life, space, investigation, the patient hails from middle class family of 11 children, both his parents expired many years back. He is the 9th child in the family. He is working in an oil mill and the oil mill owner take care of him. Studied till 4th standard, stopped due to financial difficulties, memory is poor, recollection ability is poor. The patient likes music. He does not get angry, fast feels bad over, trifles but does not cry. He does not express his feeling freely with others. He doesn't like company much. He feels better if consoled by friends and colleagues. Selection of repertory. This case can be repertorized by any repertory since it has a wide dimension, thus a totality can be erected from any angle, and hence this type of case is suitable for cross representation to be demonstrated oneness of the repertories, though based on different philosophies. Here is repertorial totality given from Kant. Symptoms, rubric, comments as here given in below. Mild है, others है, craving है, aversion है, perspiration है, breathlessness है, heaviness है, mindness, page here is mentioned. Next one. Mild nature है, repetitive for BTP भी है, repetitive from Boger है, repetitive from Kant है, by Kant, Boger and BTPB. Repertorial result. Repertorial result Kent, Boger, BTPB. Here is Silesia, phosphorus, calcarea, sulfur. Silesia, phosphorus, sulfur, natrum, and pulsatilla. Silesia, sulfur, pulsatilla, phosphorus, and natrum. Silesia is above all analysis of repertorial result, repertorial totality, and prescription. Patient is hot, have aversion to sweet and sweets on chest. Finally, with the help of these symptoms, natrum mure was selected. Conclusion is same repertorial totality was used to refer to their repertories. Kent, Boger, Boningason for repertorization. Repertorial result shows the similarity of outcome after repertorization. These confirms the oneness of the repertories. Any other repertories can also be used for this purpose. Next, to be continued. Thanks.